Okay, so our next topic is after KDD, knowledge discovery databases that we have covered up in the previous slides. Today we are going to discuss about data mining and business intelligence. So it is nothing but we want to see how it relates with business intelligence. That is the point over here. Okay, so here the term that is written business intelligence. What basically is business intelligence that we have to see first. So let me zoom it out a little bit so that you will have clarity about things. Okay, so business intelligence is basically, you can say, a skill or an application or a practice also you can call it, which is being used to support decision making, for making an effective decision, you can say. Okay, so that is called as business intelligence. Also, it is a new technology for understanding the past and on the basis of which predict the future. That is also a business intelligence. Some of the main steps of business intelligence includes your collection of data, integrate the information, analyze the knowledge, and decide what to do. So in that way, we have to take an effective decision. There are two key aspects of business intelligence that are written over here and that we are studying: data mining and data warehousing. These two are the important aspects of business intelligence. So you can see in this slide, there are different steps given. Ultimately, every step is increasing the potential to support business decisions. That is our main motive. And as we have seen in KDD, you can relate things with KDD. The steps are almost same. But here the business analyst is working on them, this data analyst is working, database administrator, that is DBA, is working on them. So here, the key aspect of business intelligence is data warehouse and data mining. Analyzing data in your business intelligence is not that simple. It utilizes these data mining techniques for your information discovery by performing classification, clustering, prediction. So basically, this business intelligence has tight relation with data warehouse and data mining. Now, as we can see, the lowest step, the first step will be the data. Different data sources are available in the form of papers, files, web documents, database systems. Okay, then we are performing this data pre-processing, as we have seen in KDD also. Data cleaning is a step of it. Integration of data we perform, and we are integrating that multiple sources data, basically heterogeneous data it is, at one unified schema at one place, which is nothing but your data warehouse. And all these things are happening under database administrator. Then we explore the data by querying, reporting, some statistical operations. That is called as data exploration. Then data analysts perform these data mining techniques on this data, task relevant data, and discovery of information happens, or knowledge discovery, you can say, that happens. Finally, presentation of data happens utilizing some visualization techniques. You can say in the form of tables, charts. Okay, that is the purpose over here. Finally, on the basis of these things, we make an effective decision. That is nothing but your business intelligence chart. So here the steps are almost similar to your knowledge discovery databases. If you have understood well about KDD, then it will be easy for you to understand about business intelligence. So this business intelligence, I can say that it is combination of business analysis, data mining, and data warehouse, all three things. Okay. Now, data mining helps businesses in automatic discovery of patterns, in prediction of likely outcomes, or the creation of actionable information, or it can be even focusing on large data sets, databases, you can say. Okay, so that is your nothing but data mining with business intelligence, and business intelligence, you can also say. Next is data mining is confluence of multiple disciplines. That is just a part that you should know. Basically, everything merges into data mining. whether it can be your database technology, it can be your statistics, it can be visualization techniques, algorithms, pattern recognition, machine learning, they all are nothing but coming in the end towards data mining. So data mining is a kind of, you can say, a pond for all these things, where all these things merge together at one place. Okay. So that was the point over here that I wanted you to understand. Moving further, we have to discuss about our next topic, that is classification of data mining systems. Classification of data mining systems, or you can say classification schemes. So there are two ways that we do. First one is general functionality, under which we divide this data mining in two ways: descriptive data mining and predictive data mining. And then there are different views which lead to different classifications of data mining that we are going to cover up one by one. So let's see and explore what is the classification of data mining. So basically, the first part is general functionality, according to which data mining is divided into two parts. That is general functionality and your descriptive data mining and predictive data mining. Now, what is descriptive data mining? Descriptive data mining, you can say, as the name is suggesting to us, we want to describe something. So here, describe something means to describe the data. Once the data is captured, we convert it into some human interpretable form. That is also the motive. And descriptive analysis focus on answering basically that what has happened in the past. So we have to focus on what has happened in the past. That is called as descriptive data mining. Okay. So this descriptive data mining or descriptive analysis is basically used in comparing pre-test or post-test assessments, or tracking your enrollments in course in any organization, in educational organizations, or summarizing number of times a learner is posting on discussion board. So these kind of examples can be your descriptive data mining. So here we are not focusing on predicting something. We are focusing on what has happened in the past. That is called as descriptive data mining. Now, predictive data mining is basically next part, what I am discussing right now. Predictive data mining. Predictive data mining, as the name is suggesting to us, here we want to predict something. Okay. So it is basically an analysis done to predict the future event or other data or trends, you can say. Okay, for example, you can take an example of any retail shop which may utilize algorithm-based tools to check the customer database to find out the previous transactions and to predict future transactions. In other words, you can say that previous data may enable the shopkeeper to project what will happen in the future in the business. Okay, and accordingly shopkeeper can plan. So here what we are trying to do, on the basis of the past data, we are predicting future events. That is called as predictive data mining. Okay, how it can help: it increases the production, it reduces the risk in businesses, it helps the analyst to make better decisions. Now, so that is called as predictive data mining. I hope you got the point what I'm trying to make you understand. If you are having any doubts in this descriptive and predictive data mining, please comment. Next part is classification of data mining according to different kinds or different views. The first one is classification according to the kind of database. So that is called as your data view. Okay. Let us see this one. According to the data to be mined, or according to the database, kind of database mined. So as your data mining system can be classified according to the kinds of database mined, database systems can be classified according to various criteria, including your data models or types of data or applications. So here, what is the point? Just to make it easy for you to understand, if we are classifying data mining according to data models, it can have relational, transactional, or data warehouse mining system. Okay, so that we are talking about if we are classifying our model, classifying our data mining according to the data models. And if we are classifying according to some special type of data handling, that can be like your spatial data. Spatial data means your maps, SPATIAL, spatial information. That is that can be related to your maps, time series data, multimedia data, text data, stream data. So that is according to some special types of data handling. So in that way, we can classify data mining techniques. Okay. Second one is your knowledge according to the knowledge to be mined. So that is your second classification, where classification is happening according to the kinds of knowledge mined. Basically, what is the meaning over here? It is based on the functionalities, including your characterization, association, prediction, clustering, or any trend analysis, evolution analysis, you can say. So that is a kind of knowledge we are trying to discover. If we are classifying data mining techniques according to the knowledge mind, then it will be on the basis of these kind of functionalities. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Next one is your method. According to the kinds of method mind, or according to the kinds of technique utilized. So what kind of techniques we can utilize? It can be like it can be described according to the degree of user interaction involved with the techniques. Like your interactive systems can be there, autonomous systems can be there, query driven systems can be there. So these are different kinds of techniques that according to which data mining can be classified, or you can say the methods of data analysis that we are utilizing. Okay, so that is the classification according to the kind of techniques or according to the kind of methods being utilized. Last one is classification according to the application views or application adapted. So for instance, you can say that data mining systems can be tailored categorically for finance, telecommunications, stock markets, cryptocurrencies, emails. So these are different types of applications which we are adapting for data mining techniques. So if we are classifying according to the application view, that means we are talking about different types of applications that can include your finance application, telecommunications, stock markets, emails, cryptocurrencies. So these are different types of applications according to which data mining can be classified. So that is your classification of data mining systems. Okay. So that's it about our classification of data mining systems. If you are having any doubts about this classification of data mining system, please comment. So that's it for this session. We will continue further that we have to perform data mining on what kind of data, different types of data on which we can perform data mining. That will be our next topic. So thank you for watching, and please keep showering your love and support to the channel. Thank you.